All right, we got the
Hopefully she'll take off right today.
we got the military challenge going on here. We got this that is a P-51, right, sir?
P-51D.
P-51D. Got Lieutenant Colonel Q. We don't know what his real name is. We're gonna call him Lieutenant Colonel Q. And over here we ain't got no name on here, but he ready to go. He finna run me over. We got a captain here. My bad. Captain Ken. Yes, Captain Ken. That is Captain Ken, also on Horizon. Yes, he's a Horizon flyer. All right, you can check him out on Instagram. HorizonHobby.com. Check them out, y'all. Here they go. We finna get this race going on. Atlanta RSC. This how we do it. Okay, I gotta get out the flight line. All right, so we're gonna see y'all pull off, and I'm gonna run off the flight line. And they're off. P-51 got a little bit more speed there than Captain Ken. Captain Ken look like he got, Captain Ken said he might need to reinvest in some more batteries. These are park flyers though, folks. These are park flyers. We just out having a good time. He coming in for a bombing. Low pass. You got Captain Ken close up. Inverted pass, or these planes gonna do that? Oh, they don't like inverted. Oh, okay. And another inverted for the P-51. Yeah. Post call there in there. Coming in for a landing. Landing gears down. Final approach. You got the P-51 first. Oh! He did a nosedive. Captain Ken.
Show off.
Captain Ken will fly. Captain Ken will fly again another day. And we got a nosedive over here with a P-51.
Make me want to go around again.
Way to go, Captain Ken! Captain Ken!
Yes, sir. I might be the slowest.
But you got home in one piece.
But I got home in one piece.